Has your VA disability compensation claim been denied or not rated high enough? Know your rights and don't take no for an answer. My name is Alan Watt, and I am a VA accredited claims agent. As a claims professional, I am here to advocate to the Department of Veterans Affairs on your behalf. My team and I fight to help you and your family get the benefits that you deserve. Whether you disagree with your claims decision or you believe you are entitled to a higher rating, you have 1 year from the claims decision to file an appeal. There are many reasons you can submit a VA disability appeal. Appeals may be submitted to reevaluate denied claims, to dispute the evaluation or rating of a disability, or to argue the effective date of a rating. The important thing to remember is that a claimant must appeal within 1 year of the date of the notification letter, or the decision will become final and the original date of application will be lost. The appeals process was drastically changed effective February of 2019 with the implementation of the Appeals Modernization Act, or AMA. The previous appeals process is now known as Legacy. We are going to be talking today about claims under the post-2019 AMA process. Initial claims or requests for an increase are first decided at the regional office level, or what is known as the Agency of Original Jurisdiction, or AOJ. You can appeal to the AOJ by requesting a higher level review or submitting a supplemental claim as described in our previous video. The next level up above the AOJ is the Board of Veterans Appeals. At the board level, cases are decided upon by a Veterans Law judge. Appeals to the Board of Veterans Appeals are submitted on VA Form 10182, which is the Notice of Disagreement, or NOD. You have 3 appeal options to choose from on the NOD. First is direct review. With this option, no new evidence may be submitted, but an argument based upon the existing evidence of record may be submitted. Second is evidence submission. With this option, additional evidence may be submitted along with the NOD or within 90 days of the board's receipt of the NOD. And lastly, we have the hearing. With this option, testimony is given on the record before a Veterans Law judge, and there's an opportunity to submit additional evidence for 90 days after the hearing. There are also 3 options for attending a hearing. You have central office hearing, where you attend in person in Washington, D.C., a video conference hearing, where you attend at a VA regional office, and a virtual telehearing, attend via an internet-connected device, such as a personal computer with a webcam or using a smartphone. There are pros and cons to consider for each of the different appeal options, which we will discuss now. Direct review appeals. The pros of a direct review appeal are quickest decision. The BVA asserts that direct review decisions should be completed within 1 year. But our experience is that direct review decisions can take on average more than 3 years. The cons of a direct review appeal are the inability to submit additional evidence means that the claim will be decided by the evidence already on record. Evidence submission. The pros of an evidence submission appeal are there is no need to attend a hearing, and you have 90 days from the Board of Veterans Appeals receipt of your NOD to submit additional evidence. The cons of an evidence appeal submission are there is no opportunity to give personal testimony via this appeal method. This means that only written statements will be taken into consideration. Evidence may be considered more quickly by submitting it with a supplemental claim to the AOJ instead. Hearings. The pros of a hearing appeal are you have the opportunity to tell your story before a judge and establish your credibility. The judge will usually indicate what you will still need to provide to get your claim granted, such as additional medical records and/or a nexus opinion from a medical professional. The cons of a hearing appeal are this method may take longer for a decision to be reached. Also, if your testimony does not appear to be credible, it may actually harm your case rather than help it. If you are a loved one who's struggling to file an appeal, Veterans Disability Aid is here to help. Give us a call at 1-800-921-0310 or visit us online at vetdisabilityaid.com to get in touch with our team. You fought for your country. It's time someone fought for you.